Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Greg, what does holistic gardening definition, how would you define that?
Great question. And you have to look at the whole system. And I'm not even just talking about the whole system of our yard. And a lot of people in their gardens, they're concentrating their energy on their garden. They miss the fact that their entire yard might be interacting with that garden, as well as the entire neighborhood might be interacting with that garden. So for me, it's a process of looking at standing back and taking in everything that's going on in the space. One of the things that happened for us back in 2014 at the urban farm, we had hens back then. And one morning we woke up and 10 of the hens were dead because a bobcat had gotten them. And we forgot to take into consideration the outside impact of a bobcat on our chicken coop.
And it's not like your urban farm was remote. This is Glendale and 13th Street, right in central Phoenix.
Right?
Exactly. That was the shocking part. Well, and the interesting thing is that same week, we had a raccoon on our backyard, on our back patio. So, when you're looking at that from a holistic perspective, you need to really pay attention to everything that's going on.
Look outside the box.
The raccoon heard from the bobcat through the grapevine that there's a great place to eat over here.
There's a smorgasbord down the street. Come take a look.
Yeah, exactly.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.